Jai Jinendra. Shrut Gyan, the knowledge that comes with the help of words, gestures, etc. is known as Shrut Gyan. There are 14 types of Shrut Gyan. Akshar Shrut, Anakshar Shrut, Sangi Shrut, Asangi Shrut, Samyak Shrut, Mithya Shrut, Sadi Shrut, Anadi Shrut, Sapartha Vashit Shrut, Apartha Vashit Shrut, Gamik Shrut, Agamik Shrut, Anga Pravashit Shrut, Ananga Pravashit Shrut. Akshar Shrut, the drafting of feelings that can be said by letters. There are 3 types of Akshar Shrut: Sangya Shrut, Vyanjan Shrut, Labdhi Shrut. Sangya Akshar, combination of letters, etc. Vyanjan Akshar, expressing speech through letters. Akshar, the person who has acquired ability to know letters. That person gets multifaceted knowledge derived from combination of letters.
Akshar Shrut, the expression of emotion by sighing, exhaling, coughing, sneezing, gesture, etc. Sangi Shrut, the knowledge of living being with mind.
Asangi Shrut, knowledge of a living being without mind. There are 3 types of Sangi Shrut and Asangi Shrut: Kalki Updesh, Hetu Updesh, Drishtivat Updesh. Kalki Updesh, the person who has Iha, Apoha, Margana, Ganveshana, contemplation, discussion is Kalki Updesh Sangya. This type of Sangya can have triple contemplation. It is found in 5 sense beings with a mind. One who does not have this falls in Asangi compared to Kalki Updesh. In this, there are living beings without a mind or Samyachan. Hetu Updesh, the one who has a tendency to contemplate is Hetu Updesh Sangya. There is contemplation of only the present in this type of Sangya. It lacks long-term thinking. The possessors of this type of Sangya are 2 sense, 3 sense, 4 sense and 5 sense being without a mind. For the maintenance of these bodies, these living beings engage in contemplative matters in the favored subjects and retire from negative objects. Those who do not have it, it is Asangi compared to Hetu Updesh. These are single sense living beings. Drishtivad Updesh. Living beings have a mind due to the destruction come subsidence of Sangya Shrut. Knowledge gained by a living being with a mind. Living beings lack mind due to the destruction come subsidence of Asangi Shrut. Knowledge gained by beings without a mind. According to this, those with the right vision, Samyak Drishti, is Sangi, and those with the false vision, Mithya Drishti, is Asangi.
Samyak Shrut. Shrut composed by Atma Purusha, Gandhara, Chaturdashpurvi, Daspurvi. 6. Mithva Shrut. Shrut composed by Avadgar Purush. From the second point of view, person with right faith accept perverted knowledge in the right perspective of Samyak Shrut. For him, Mithya Shrut is also known as Samyak Shrut. Person with perverted faith accepts right knowledge in perverted way of Mithya Shrut. For him, Samyak Shrut is also known as Mithya Shrut. The 72 arts, etc. becomes Mithya Shrut due to transformation by person with perverted into false faith, perspective or view. They become Samyak Shrut because they are transformed into right perspective of person with right faith.
Sadishut knowledge which has a beginning, Anadishut knowledge which has a beginning less, and Saparyavishesha knowledge which has an end.
There are 4 types of Shruta in their aggregate form: substance, Dravta, region-wise, Shreta, timeline, Kalta, and perception, Bhavta. Dravta, knowledge has a beginning as well as an end in the context of a single man, but it is beginningless and endless in the context of many men. Kshetra, knowledge has a beginning as well as an end in the context of 5 Bharat and 5 Airavat regions. It is inexhaustible in the regions of Mahavidya region. Kal, time has a beginning and an end in the context of the Avsarpini and Utsarpini, but it is infinite and inexhaustible in the context of Nausarpini and Notsarpini. Bhavta, knowledge has a beginning and an end in the context of the sentiments expressed by the Tirthankars at a particular time. In the context of the Kyotsafic feeling, it has no beginning or end, or it can also be said that it is with a beginning and an end for a Mokshgami Bhavya, being who can attain salvation. It is infinite or inexhaustible from the point of view of an Avbhya, being who can never attain salvation. There are infinite regions of entire sky. There are infinite alternatives in every single sky region, an infinite number of times more than all the synonyms, and an infinite number of synonyms are found. The infinite part of the alphabet remains exposed forever in the regions of all living beings. It is not exposed even that much. then the soul becomes non-living. Chaitanya will cease and become non-living, just as clouds cover the sun and the moon during the rainy seasons. Yet, the sun and the moon's light does not completely dissipate in the same way. The consciousness is not completely covered by the rise of knowledge karmas. Even in the living entities of Nigodh, the infinite part of the alphabet remains uncovered forever.
Gamikshut. The composition which is like text oriented is called Gamikshut. Gamik style has been used in the Drityagas. Agmikshut. The Agmikshut which does not have similar text is called Agmikshut. Agmik style is used in Acharang, etc.
Pravishtaha Shrut-Gandharas who have composed Agam Acharyas, Sutra Kritangana, etc. are called Anga Pravishtaha. Ananga Pravishtaha other than Shrut-Gandharas, Agam written by Acharya.